In this lesson, we'll learn how to work with more than one parameter in a function. The way this is done in Python is by enlisting all the arguments within the parentheses, separated by a comma. Shall I call the function we have here for, say, 10, 3, and 2? I get 4. Seems easy to add a few parameters, right? And it is. Just be careful with the order in which you state their values. In our case, I assign 10 to the variable a, 3 to b, and 2 to c. Otherwise, the order won't matter if and only if you specify the names of the variables within the parentheses like this. b equals 3, a equals 10, and c equals 2. And of course, we could obtain the same answer. 4. This is how we can work with functions that have multiple arguments. Awesome! Let's see what's next.